Looking to discover more interesting accounts on Twitter? Today, I'll show you how to enable email notifications for recommended accounts on Twitter using your PC. To begin, locate and click on your profile image situated at the top right corner of your Twitter page. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the options provided. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Email Notifications section. Within this section, find the Updates from Twitter category. Here, ensure to tick the box next to Suggestions for Recommended Accounts. This step is essential to receive email notifications regarding recommended accounts on Twitter. After selecting the appropriate options, don't forget to click on Save Changes to apply the settings. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be all set to receive email notifications for recommended accounts, making your Twitter experience even more engaging and dynamic. Stay connected with accounts that interest you by enabling these email notifications today. Enhance your Twitter feed with personalized recommendations and enrich your social media experience. Happy exploring!